Hello. Hello. Welcome.
Welcome to the motovlog.
Welcome back.
Well, hello there.
Kicked me out.
I kind of joined in late.
I'm gonna bounce out for a second. I need to get my left speaker back here.
Oh, I wasn't recording earlier. That sucks. Well, gosh darn it.
All right.
I always say the funny stuff when the GoPro turns off.
Yeah. There was a potty station.
Trying to think. We said, oh, we're going to talk about the titling. I'm going to name it Sean Smoke and the Hooker's Dimple.
Right, that's why it was like, it's going to be like, what?
And then I laugh like this. Ha ha ha. Yeah, it sucks when you totally miss footage because you can't just go back and repeat it all. Oh, jeez. I'm looking off to my left and I hit some type of strong bump. You guys good?
Cool little creek going through there.
Look at that rock there. That's beautiful.
I want to drive up it.
I want to see
Got
Gabe
the
do.
traction.
I want that rock of Gibraltar look good.
Yeah, huh?
Even if I could drive up it, I don't think coming down would be very good because the brakes. I don't think the brakes can handle it.
Gabe's pointing to the right.
Yeah.
Oh, gas. Here we are.
All right, well.
You.
We need to put some petrol in these here vehicles. Petrol.
Almost $5 a gallon.
Here too, huh? My diaper appears to be working.
Your diaper appears to be working. Things you don't want to hear on a road trip. Rotten Soul. Mr. Gabe.
The group vlog.
The Smoke. The Giant Midget Moto. Are you there, Giant Midget?
Yep.
All right.
No.
Oh, my burps still taste bad. Let's do a quick guide to Yosemite. Like, what do you need to bring to Yosemite? And I definitely, for right now, I say definitely bring something for cold weather riding, if you're in the middle of summer.
Yeah.
Because it is pretty damn cold over on this side.
Yeah, it's surprisingly cool here.
Everything else was really hot. But this awesome part, which you definitely have to hit, what are we on, 120 East? Connecting over to...
Yeah. 120 east.
Yeah.
And nice and cold on the way back.
Yeah. Oh, my microphone's way down low. There we go. Yeah. What else would you recommend you bring to Yosemite? Money? Lots of money. No,
Yeah.
Yes.
it's not too expensive.
Another pair of pants.
Spare tires.
Yeah. Make sure you have an extra pair besides the ones you need.
A box of Bean Boozled jelly beans. It's optional. Definitely bring your camera and your GoPros.
Ooh, horsies.
And a cop.
Yeah, bigger.
Yeah, we're at 8650. We're still up here quite a way.
Yeah.
Probably why it's 67 degrees.
Oh, man. I think this is my favorite ride so far, though, in Yosemite.
Yeah, that was beautiful.
That part next to the river was pretty awesome, too, down below.
Oh, yeah. Down in the valley of the sun.
Oh, goodness. It is cold. Even with the leather jacket, I'm feeling it. Let me zip it up. That'll help. Oh, man.
Look, we must be tired. Our stagger's gone. We're all just
I know.
throwing.
I'm just glad we all did this trip. This is pretty awesome.
We're at 9,000 feet.
And climbing.
Another Penguich Canyon.
Is that Gabe in with us?
I think we got up to 10,800 and something at Penguich.
Can you guys hear me okay?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
we can hear you. We can hear you. Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me now?
Do we have Gabe on with us?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome.
Welcome to the motovlog.
Welcome back.
Well,
kinda-
well, hello
Try to
there.
Kick me out.
I kind of joined in late.
Well, hello there, YouTube.
Yeah.
Alex, I was trying to connect to channel 2, and there was nobody there. And then for some reason you all are in channel 1. So
Yeah, we were hiding in channel 1.
it's Gabe's channel.
I feel like I'm on the sleeping channel.
There's another creek there.
Yeah, that's really
Oh, nice, nice.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful, that creek.
Yeah, that's awesome. Right there. That bicyclist seemed like way out of it seems weird to see a bicyclist way out here.
Yeah. And it looked weird too. His seat height wasn't set right or anything.
He looked way too happy. I mean, I bet he was freezing his ass off.
Yeah.
His face was just perma froze at a smile.
Look at that.
Wow, that's cool. Yeah, this is a neat little spot up here.
Whew, down to 64 now.
It's a black Pontiac Sierra.
64 feels
Yeah.
like 56 or so, 55.
My brother dropped a turbocharged Corvette engine into his deer.
Oh yeah. That almost looked like they were set there for a photo op.
Right? They were playing or something.
Yeah.
There's another one there.
Yeah. Looking back at it.
What up, dear? Well, hello, dearie. You know we're all tired, though. We're all going the speed limit.
Yeah.
You know you're tired when you lost your stagger.
Yeah, when you've lost your stagger.
Yeah. I keep noticing we end up in single file.
Hey, what?
You just kind of go when to go just to get it done.
Did we already pay for those other 2 nights, or do we have to go do that when we get in?
I already paid for tonight, yeah.
Okay.
Gabe paid for the first night. I paid for tonight.
Okay. I just didn't want to get back in there, like, packed all our shit up. Be like, oh, you didn't pay yet.
On the side of the road.
Right?
Yeah, we kept both sites. I never canceled that other site. But if that family's going to be there tonight with the kids, they might actually like us a little bit more tonight. We might not be so loud.
Yeah.
Hey, the night is not over.
We're going to be so cold. We're like, get that fire going now.
Yep. I hope nobody steals our wood. I mean, who wants to steal from a bunch of mean old bikers?
Right?
I totally swiped that table from that kid today at lunch. Did you pick up on that, Sean? I just
Like, oh, over here, and you just sit down. He's
well,
like,
Sean and I kind of just were like, like slid in there, and we knew the kid was trying to like claim it, and he did kind of get there first. But Sean and I just kind of put on that old man act, the old man routine, and kind of like we couldn't even we can't even see 5 feet away from us. And the kid just kind of like slunk back.
Yeah, I'm out.
That was awesome. But man, that was a fight for a table.
Nope, didn't.
And let's be honest, we deserved that table. I don't know why we deserved it.
Because other people like us had it.
Because we're old. They're young. They can deal with denial.
Yeah, I just figured out I can shift with my ankle. I was just like, hey. Put my feet all up, pressing on the peg. Didn't feel like flipping back up and shift. Like, oh,
That's a cool. I just like how all these rocks are just laying everywhere.
I know, right?
Kind of looks like an Indian burial site or something.
Totally. Another Esther Island or Easter Island? Easter Island? In the making. Somebody should come out here. Another place where in nature where somebody needs to come out here and clean this shit up.
Yeah. Oh, man.
We in the 50s, Sean?
No, it's like low 60s, but it feels like 45. Or,
It's 64.
yeah, it feels. Does it feel like 45 to you? Because it does to me.
Yeah.
It's a very maybe a moist coldness. I don't know.
Definitely a tip-bit nippy.
A humid 50. Yeah.
Tip-bit nipply.
Yeah, my.
Oh, nice.
We're almost 10,000 feet up, dude.
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna pull to the left.
Oh, we gotta say goodbye. Look at that cool tree right there spiraled around over here, Sean. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I'm gonna land right in a handicap zone here.
I'll park in the handicap with you. I did steal that table from the kid by acting all handicapped.
Yeah.
Well, in a way, you weren't acting that much, right?
Sometimes I act a little handicapped. Yeah, man. Yeah, you want to put them over here? Let's line our bikes up nice and we'll do it. You want to do it over here? Let's line our bikes up right here and do a little group photo. I don't know how we're going to get group photo.
They got a tripod.
Huh? Okay, yeah. Yeah, we can. My camera will do that. Bike's facing forward.
Like this?
Yeah, probably help if I turn the bike on. Yeah, okay. Too far, yeah. Right about there.